How to monitor CPU, GPU, RAM, and temperatures on your Mac, especially if you are editing, gaming, or benchmarking. Activity Monitor shows you a usage. So if I open Activity Monitor, you can see only usage here, but it doesn't show you temperatures at all. So you can see how hot your Mac is running. So let me show you how we can check temperatures. And it's pretty simple, but we have to download an app for this. So if you go to your browser, you want to search for Mac stats. So monitor your Mac with ease. It's this first thing. And we want to simply download it. And from here we can monitor everything. So now after it's downloaded, we can double click it. We can drag it to application to install it. All right. Now we can close those things. And after it's installed, we can search for it. So you just have to type stats in your Finder. And you want to open it. You want to allow. Then next, you can choose either if you want to start application automatically when you start your Mac, or you can turn it off. You can also select if you want to check for the updates. So do everything silently in the background. This is recommended. So I'm gonna go with this one, then click next, finish. So you can see around 18 to 20% is my CPU usage currently. You can see my RAM is halfly like full, so it's 47%. You can see also your SSD disk. And now if you want to customize this or see temperatures, what we can do, we can, let's say, click on CPU and we can click on this gear icon, which is basically settings of this stats app. And from here we can modify everything as we want. So you can select how you want to display the widget for CPU. So you can choose, let's say, graph like this, and this is going to create this graph or this, or you can just simply keep on percentage. So I'm going to turn this off. So all you have to do, you just want to make sure this is enabled. And basically you can see like temperature over here, you can see usage and some other stuff. So you can see my CPU is currently 55 degrees. If you want to monitor your GPU as well, so basically your graphic card, you can simply turn it on and it's going to show you at top. So you can see my GPU is currently 80%. You can also see your RAM from here, your disk, sensors, network, battery, and etc. So this is a quick video how you can monitor your CPU, GPU, RAM, or temperatures on your Mac. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.